So you want to become a developer, but everyone keeps throwing 3 words at you: front-end, back-end, full stack. And nobody actually explains which one you should pick. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which path fits you. Hey, welcome to SHADHINPATH, the channel where we explain coding and tech in the simplest way possible, made for complete beginners. If that's you, subscribe because we're building a full beginner series step by step. Now let's understand all 3 using something you already know: a restaurant. Think about your favorite restaurant. When you walk in, what do you see? The tables, the lights, the menu, the decoration, the staff taking your order. Everything you can see, touch, and interact with. That part, the part the customer experiences directly, is the front end. So a front-end developer builds the part of a website or app that you actually see: the buttons, the colors, the layout, the animations. When you open Facebook and see the like button and the news feed, a front-end developer built that. Front-end developers mostly work with 3 tools: HTML, which is the structure, CSS, which is the styling and colors, and JavaScript, which makes things interactive. Later, they learn a framework like React to build faster. If you love design, visuals, and seeing your work come to life on the screen instantly, front-end might be your world. You change one line, refresh, and boom, you see it right away. It's very visual and satisfying. Now let's go behind the wall, into the kitchen. In a restaurant, your food doesn't magically appear. Behind the scenes, there's a kitchen. Cooks take your order, prepare the food, store the ingredients, and send your plate out. You never see this part, but nothing works without it. That kitchen is the backend. So a backend developer builds the part you don't see. The part that stores your data, handles logins, processes payments, and does the real logic. When you log into Facebook and it checks your password, loads your friends, and saves your posts, a backend developer built that system. Backend developers work with a language like Python or JavaScript, a database like PostgreSQL to store information, and they build APIs that connect everything together. If you love logic, problem solving, and working with data and systems, backend might be your path. It's less about how things look and more about how things actually work. Now, the third one, full stack. Imagine a person who can run the dining room and cook in the kitchen. They can do it all. That's a full stack developer. Front of the house and back of the house both. A full stack developer can build the part you see and the part you don't, the design and the logic, the whole thing, top to bottom. This sounds amazing, and it is powerful. Full stack developers are in high demand because they can build a complete app by themselves. But there's a catch. You have to learn more because you're covering 2 areas instead of 1. So now the big question. Which one should you pick? Don't worry about salaries or demand yet. First, figure out what fits your brain. Ask yourself these 3 simple questions. Number 1, do you enjoy visual, creative work? Do you like seeing colors, layouts, and designs come to life instantly? If yes, you'll probably love front-end. Number 2, do you enjoy logic puzzles? Do you like figuring out how things work, organizing data, and solving problems behind the scenes? If yes, backend will feel natural to you. Number 3, do you want to build entire projects on your own and you don't mind learning more to do it? Then full stack is your path. Here's an easy way to feel it. If you'd rather decorate the house, you're front end. If you'd rather build the plumbing and wiring that makes the house actually work, you're back end. And if you want to build the whole house yourself, you're full stack. And here's the honest truth nobody tells beginners. You do not have to decide perfectly right now. Almost every developer starts with one and naturally picks up the others over time. Your first choice is not a life sentence, it's just a starting point. Okay, now let's talk about the real world. Jobs, demand, and money. All 3 are in demand, so you really can't go wrong. But here's the honest breakdown. Front-end jobs are everywhere because every company needs a website and app that looks good. It's great for beginners because you see results fast. Back-end jobs often pay slightly more on average because the logic and systems are complex and fewer people enjoy that deep problem solving. Full-stack developers are the most flexible and very attractive to startups and smaller companies because one person can build everything. But you're expected to know more, So what do I actually recommend for a total beginner? Start with one. Don't try to learn everything at once. If you're not sure which, here's a simple tip. Start with Frontend for a few weeks, because it's visual and you see progress fast, which keeps you motivated. Then try a little Backend. Whichever one excites you more, go deeper into that. And if you enjoy both, slowly grow into full stack. There's no rush. The worst thing you can do is stay stuck choosing forever and never start. Pick one, start building small projects, and you'll figure out your path as you go. If this made the choice clearer, hit that subscribe button here on SHADHINPATH, because next, I'm breaking down the exact roadmap for each path. I'll see you in the next one.